Hi guys, in this video I'm going to show you a common error which occurs nowadays. It is related to the Numpy. So I'm going to run the code now. You can only see the terminal of the PyCharm. So you can see that the uh, error is here, runtime error. The current Numpy installation fails to pass a like that. So this happens because of the version of the Numpy. The newest version has some, I don't know, but I tried to install the Numpy 13, the previous version, the just previous version of the newest version. So it has been done. I will show you how to install that. So go to py of Numpy. We have the release history here. This is the newest version. We should try the 1.19.3. yeah, we should try that. So when we click that, we can copy the pip install Numpy is equal to 1.19.3. we just paste it in the terminal. So it is installed successfully. Now when we run the code,
Hi, I am a chatbot.
there is no errors. This is a project I have done on my channel. You can, if you want the link to that video, I will surely put in the description. You can see